Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to find file location in Google Drive. So first step is to right click on your file. So let's say I will pick a file in this folder, right click on it, and then see file information. This will drop down this another window and click on details. Then it will open this window right here on the side. So scroll down until you find location. And as you can see, it will say where your file is stored. So it is stored in folder named folder. You can also see a path to this file right here on top. It will say my drive, folder, and then your file. If you have it in another folder, so let's say I will create a new folder, then drop this file in here. You can see then my file is in my drive folder G. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.